Embrace timeless elegance with Burda 2025's marvelous designs. This issue celebrates fashion with sophisticated designs that blend classic style with modern trends, making them perfect for aging women. The magazine has introduced new flattering patterns for every occasion, paired with clear, technical. Whether you're looking for comfortable everyday wear or chic statement pieces, Burda has something to inspire your style. Discover designs that empower you to look and feel your best, regardless of age. Number 7. Dresses. Burda has come up with a few classic and flattering silhouettes that work for various settings. From chic A-line dresses to shirt dresses, from wrap dresses to maxi dresses, the magazine has released several timeless cuts to embrace wearing them in every age. Most of these cuts hug the waist and flatter down the legs. Many also came with snatched waist, belts to accentuate the waist, and intricate designs hugging the waist area. For instance, this chic pleated belt maxi dress comes in a perfect silhouette with details highlighting the body shape. The pleated fabric belt wraps around the waist while accentuating the natural body curves and adding depth to the overall look. Another timeless design is the gorgeous frothy farewell gown with so much detailing and expert tailoring. Such gowns not only snatch the waist but also add value to the look with intricate neck designs and cuffed sleeves. This dress remains a staple in royal women's closet. Many elegant ladies, from Melania Trump to Kate Middleton and Queen Rania of Jordan, embrace this chic design styled in their crucial events. Besides these, Burda has introduced a few elegant A-line dresses perfectly tailored to hug the waist. Or more casual, Burda displayed chic shirt dresses and other straight dresses with sleeve designs, serving as casual and formal attire. Number 6. Tops and blouses. Where Burda has gone insane with dress designs, the top and blouse cuts are never less. This year is all about a feminine touch to the clothing designs, which is very much the case with new chic tops and blouse cuts. Burda has introduced peasant blouses. These chic, soft, loose-fitting tops have gathers or elastic at the neckline and cuffs. For a feminine touch, they often feature bell sleeves or ruffled details. These tops add interest to the outfit and offer versatile options for carrying them with grace, even on aging bodies. You can pair them with classic tailored trousers or even chic A-line skirts. Besides these, peasant tops look elegant with perfect denim. Coming back to the point, tailored shirts, turtlenecks, and asymmetrical blouses are also picking hype this year. Burda has some of the most chic blouse cuts with asymmetrical hemlines, sleeves, and even irregular shoulder cuts. Every design is perfectly tailored to the body type, giving an instant glow-up while adding value and purpose to the outfit. There is also an emphasis on chic peplum tops with asymmetrical hemlines and tailored fits. Burda's fashion simply elevates the basics with unique cuts and designs for all shirts, t-shirts, and sweatshirts, whether long-sleeved or half-sleeved. Button-down shirts with a touch of interest and statement-making cuts also join the list. You may find button-down shirts with structured collars and cuffs. These are excellent for making professional, sharp outfits. They are still chic, but now with some uniqueness. Number 5. Pants and skirts. Besides the tops and dresses, Burda's pants and skirt designs are more than exciting this year. The edge is that these intricate designs and cuts are versatile for women of all age groups. First of all, we have the minimalist high-waisted trousers. These chic trousers, tailored to the body type, create a sophisticated look that often pairs well with tucked-in blouses. Expect both wide leg and straight leg styles in these tailored bottoms. Burda has also come up with some fun jumpsuit designs, a one-piece wonder that can carry from sleek and formal to casual and playful, often with cinched waists or loose cuts. These also embrace irregular or asymmetrical cuts and one shoulder-off design. Tailored bottoms with interesting front slits on both legs, button detailing on the bottom line, and more fun designs also join the list. Then there are the beautiful skater skirts. These flattering skirts have a slightly flared shape, often perfect for pairing with a fitted top for a balanced look. These skirts look chic at knee length, and they can be paired perfectly with a sweatshirt, a cardigan, or button-down shorts. They are also versatile and timeless, so you can style them at any age. Burda magazines have also shown a few chic pencil skirt designs for 2025. These timeless, sleek, form-fitting skirts work well in professional and dressy settings. They sometimes feature elements like vents or pleats for ease of movement. Though pencil skirts are not for all body types, the unique cuts make these versatile. Expect to see pencil skirts with minor side slits and pleats. If you are loving this video so far, please support us by subscribing to our channel. We try to bring you useful fashion guides to help you with your personal style. Your support matters. And moving on to the next one. Number 4, outerwear. Outerwear is so essential to styling any outfit. These serve a purpose far more than just warm layers to cover the body on slopes. Today, outerwear has become a statement, fashion language, and representative of someone's personal style. Burda's 2025 outerwear designs are far more than ordinary. They have introduced a few chic, classic, yet modern outerwear cuts to style in various settings and seasons. First up on the list are the exciting trench coats. These come in a timeless design with double-breasted buttons, a belt, and often a pleated back. Expect modern updates like oversized colors or variations in length. This era will see more chic capes and ponchos. These cozy yet stylish outer layers often have wide sleeves or fringed edges for a trendy, relaxed vibe. Fringe designs have already made a strong comeback this year, and they are everywhere from shoes to bags, clothing to accessories, and now outerwear. Besides these, chic, structured, and tailored blazers are not behind. They can be classic or oversized, with different pocket styles or lapel designs. For more professional attire, expect the blazers to be well fitted and tailored to the body type. They have now evolved to more feminine detailing with waist-fitted tailoring. Expect to see structured blazers hugging the waist for a perfect feminine look. Number 3, knitwear. Knitwear never goes out of fashion. For many reasons, it remains a staple for classy women's wardrobes. Burda just brings uniqueness and excitement to ordinary knitwear. This year, knitwear is no longer basic in design, but rather interesting to style as a layer or wear as a single piece in any outfit. A few chic knitwear designs Burda introduced include chunky sweaters, cardigans, and sweatshirts. Chunky sweaters are cozy and oversized, perfect for colder months, often with intricate knitting patterns or loose draped styles. Cardigans, both buttoned and open front options in varying lengths, are great for layering over dresses or tops. Besides layering, consider styling these on denim, wide leg pants, tailored trousers, or tailored skirts. Next up are the sweatshirts. These are comfortable but chic, and they might include embellishments like embroidery, patches, or color blocking. Sweatshirts are good layers, but they look equally interesting if worn as a basic shirt with denim. You can try layering these on a button-down shirt with a revealing collar or maxi dress. Number 2, sewing details and techniques. Burda magazine designs are about unique and timeless sewing techniques, designs, and intricate cuts. They are known for providing precise, clear instructions on how to assemble each design. These instructions help sewists understand not just the construction of the garment, but also advanced sewing techniques. Also, these designs help fashion enthusiasts know what's in and what's out in the fashion world. Here's what the magazine has for 2025 fashion styles. Darts and seams. Many designs will feature darts, with detailed seam allowances to shape the garment. Burda is known for including clear instructions on how to sew these. Simultaneously, we get to know what's there to try. Pleats and tucks. Some skirts, blouses, and dresses include pleats, tucks, or gathers to add fullness and texture to the fabric. This sewing technique adds perfect interest and a feminine touch to any outfit. Trying this technique is definitely a worthy option for 2025 fashionable looks. Pleats also work best for aging women, shadowing insecure body parts while highlighting the snatched waist. Pockets. Functional pockets such as patches, welts, or side seams are commonly featured and might be designed in creative or hidden ways. This makes an outfit stylish and practical, especially for women over 50. Zippers and closures. Expect instructions for inserting zippers either at the side, back, or front, along with alternatives like buttons or snaps. This detailing adds dimension and tailoring to the outfit. Number 1. Accessories and miscellaneous. Occasionally, Burda includes patterns for bags, everything from totes to clutches, often made with sturdy fabric or leather. In this edition, Burda promotes gym and luggage style bags that offer practicality with style. It also showed cozy accessories designed to elevate simple outfits. Sometimes they feature fringe or unique fabric manipulations. Besides these, Burda also has something in store for fashion lovers: chic headwear. There are patterns for hats including berets or wide-brimmed styles, often paired with seasonal trends. Given that it's the February issue, many patterns will likely focus on transitioning from winter to spring, with a mix of warm, layered pieces and lighter, more breathable garments. You may also see a blend of classic and trendy elements, including minimalist and statement designs. What are your thoughts about these unique fashion cuts and designs? Share with us in the comments below. Making this far in the video is your sign to check out 10 colors that don't flatter women over 50. Upgrade your style with our exceptional fashion guide. You can find the link in the description box. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you like our content. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next video.